I'm Victoria.
And I'm Rory, and these are our two dogs, Misty and Kita. We live in beautiful British Columbia, Canada.
We are converting our 2004 Thomas bus, named Freedom 25, into our home on wheels so that we can get out, explore, adventure, and do more of the things we love. Because experiences are more sacred than materials. Okay, so today we're going to be taking out the bus windows. We've already taken out all of these except these three. So I'm going to quickly show you guys how to take a bus window out, the easiest way that I've found after doing all the rest of the bus. So first we're going to take these brackets off right here. So we'll just take that off. And then all you're going to need is a knife and a flat bar. So with your knife, you want to do about 2 passes on every edge of the window. Try to get the knife as far in as you can. You just want to cut all this rubbery stuff out of here. You also have to cut the whole edge on the outside of it too, or it won't come out. So the edge on the outside is actually holding it in pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to cut the edges on the outside here. So you want to do about 2 passes on all of this rubbery stuff. And underneath the window too. Now with the flat bar, you kind of want to just shove it in here. It should just pop open like that. Same with this side. Only put it in a little bit. There's like these 3 lips, so you only want to just grab this first one and kind of pry it out like that. And on this side, pry it out like that. You can get through the top again here. Pop it out. Pop it out. Once you have it out like that, all you have to do is pop it out, and you got your window out. Easy peasy. So next we're going to take the emergency window out. I've already taken off the brackets that were here, 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 and here. With this emergency window, it opens like this to get out in an emergency. This one's broken, but usually you can close it and it doesn't open. You do have to take the whole thing out together. You can try to unattach this from the whole window, but there's no point. It's easier to just take the whole thing out together. So again, you're just going to cut that there. With these ones, they're not, there's none of that kind of caulking or rubbery stuff on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about cutting the bottom. And then don't forget the outside. So with these emergency windows, there's usually a screw that's holding in the frame. So there's a little screw right here, and there aren't any on this side. So there's just a screw on this side. So I'm just going to take this screw out. There we go. And we'll try to pry this out. So I find it easier to kind of pop the top first. And then these emergency windows are a bit harder because they're heavier and bigger. Like so. So also with these, they have this cord attached. So you can just cut the cord off and pull it out. All the windows are out. It only took about, I'd say 3 hours to get them all out by myself, and I'm excited for the next step. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.